In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shipping zone in Gohighlevel. We'll be working inside the payments area of your Gohighlevel account and specifically in the shipping and delivery settings. A shipping zone helps you define where you want to offer shipping. So this is an important part of making sure your checkout setup matches the locations you actually serve. To begin, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to manage your payment settings. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side menu. This is where you'll find the main navigation for the platform. From that left menu, click on Payments. This will take you into the section where you manage payment-related options for your business, including billing settings, taxes, and shipping configuration. After the Payments area opens, go to the top right corner of the page and click on Settings. Inside Settings, look for the option called Shipping and Delivery, then click into it. This is the section where you can control how shipping is organized for your products and checkout experience. If you're setting this up for the first time, the page may look fairly simple, and that's completely normal. Next, click on Add Zone. This opens the setup for a new shipping zone. You'll first need to enter a zone name. Choose a name that clearly identifies the region you're creating, such as a country, a group of countries, or a broader shipping area. Keeping the name clear and specific will make it much easier to manage later, especially if you plan to create multiple zones. After naming the zone, move to the country search field. Here, search for the country you want to include in that shipping zone. As you type, matching options should appear, allowing you to quickly find the right destination. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct country, since this determines where the shipping rules for this zone will apply. Once you've found the country you want, click Add. This adds that country to the shipping zone you're creating. At that point, your zone has been defined and included in your shipping setup. That's all it takes to create a shipping zone in Gohighlevel. If you need to support more regions, you can repeat the same process for additional zones. Just remember to use clear names and double check the countries you include so your shipping settings stay organized and accurate.